Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about the Megaeth token. Ticker symbol is Mega. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project. You can see it is a huge project, 180,100x followers at Megaeth_labs, and it says Megaeth is the real-time blockchain where crypto applications leverage extreme performance to reach their full potential. We're going to talk about all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage, megaeth.com. Over there you can find information, careers, privacy policy, terms, project, app submission, articles, videos, brand kit, and blog and news. All sorts of links there. You could even subscribe to a newsletter. Check out their GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. If you want to join the discussion, you could check them out on Discord there. So they have token information. Now, if you go to the webpage megaeth.com and click token, it'll take you to token.megaeth.com, which is also linked in their pinned tweet down there. So this is talking about their new token here. It says, complete your profile to register. We anticipate announcing details of a potential crypto asset offering in the near future. If interested, you may register between October 15th to October 27th. So today is October 18th. So the registration period ends in around 8 days or so. So if you're interested in checking out this new token here, that is the way to do it. You have to complete your profile to register. Now, there's a test net that you could try out that's in their link tree there. So check out the Twitter there, the link tree. Now, in their pinned tweet, also it says, the first real-time blockchain built for you, owned by you, register now. And it has a direct link to token.megaeth.com in the corner of the screen there. And then I saw here on a different article, it said the Mega token, which is the ticker symbol. It says, end of registration for public sale on Sonar by Echo ends October 27th. So it looks like it's going to be on Sonar by Echo. I would assume this is on the Ethereum blockchain just by the name of the token. But it says Megaeth is the first real-time blockchain. So maybe it's their own blockchain. I haven't fully read all the info yet, but we can go over a little bit together here. It's so you can, create your own profile if you want to get involved with the token launch. But as of that, there's not really that much information besides, registering. If you're in, I guess they want to see if they have enough, significant interest before they even launch the project. But there is info here about what this is. So it says Megaeth unveiling the first real-time blockchain. It's an EVM-compatible blockchain that brings Web 2 level real-time performance to the crypto world for the first time. Our goal is to push the performance to hardware limits, bridging the gap between blockchains and traditional cloud computing servers. Megaeth offers several distinguishing features, including high transaction throughput, abundant compute capacity, and most uniquely, millisecond-level response times even under heavy load. With Megaeth, developers can build and compose the most demanding applications without bounds. Why does the world need another blockchain? The advancement of blockchain frameworks has significantly lowered the barriers to creating new chains. Consequently, a multitude of new chains has emerged recently. For instance, L2Beat has documented over 120 projects in the Layer 2 ecosystem. However, simply creating more chains does not solve the blockchain scalability issues, as each individual chain imposes significant limitations on the dApps it hosts. For example, the table below shows the target gas per second and block time of major EVM chains today. So it goes over OpBNB, BSC, Polygon, Avalanche, C-Chain, Arbitrum, Base, Optimism, Conduit, and Ethereum L1. The table clearly shows that existing EVM chains face significant limitations in several aspects. And first of all, all of them exhibit low transaction throughput. So second, sophisticated applications cannot be bought on-chain due to scarce compute capacity. And finally, applications that demand high update rates or fast feedback loops are not feasible with long block times. So blockchain scalability has been an active area of research for many years. So how can we suddenly achieve performance enhancements that surpass the current state of the art by orders of magnitude? The answer is surprisingly straightforward. By delegating security and censorship resistance to base layers like Ethereum and EigenDA, one can explore a vast design space for implementing aggressive performance optimizations. So they have a whole section here about how they do that. So it says a key advantage of node specialization is the ability to set the hardware requirements for each type of node independently. They give examples of that. And then they talk about engineering a real-time blockchain. The secret behind Megaeth merely on beefy centralized sequencer? No, the answer is no. While drawing an analogy to centralized servers can be a useful mental model to understand the potential of Megaeth, it significantly underestimates the research and engineering complexities behind the stage. Creating a real-time blockchain involves much more than taking an off-the-shelf Ethereum execution client and ramping up the hardware of sequencers. And they give examples of that as well. And then they give the design philosophy. Like any complex computer system, a blockchain has many potential bottlenecks across multiple interacting components. At Megaeth, we decided to apply a more holistic and principled approach in our R&D process from the beginning. And so, yeah, they give tons of information about the transaction execution. They talk about that here. They talk about the state synchronization, updating the state root, and block gas limits, supporting infrastructure, scaling blockchain with principled approach, and bringing real-time performance to billions of users. And you can check out all this information at megaeth.com. Also, if you click the research button, you'll see even more information. There's blog articles, so much info. Too much to go over in this video. But if you want to check out the new token, just check out the pinned tweet right there. It'll take you right over there. And the full link tree is on that Twitter as well. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about Megaeth and their new Mega token? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.